Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I just published a new 3D models, a Homo Heidelbergensis skull. This is a ancient humans fossils. I made this 3D model according to the real specimens at the Broken Hills once Rhodesian Man, the skull of Homo Heidelbergensis. This is an ancient skull about 1.2 million years ago. And now I created this as a 3D model available as FBX and Blender file. So you can just get it from my video descriptions. Click the link that I provide in video descriptions. Then it is going to lead you to the website. You can just get these 3D models with $1. You can either purchase with PayPal or you can purchase with Gumroad. It is just take it easy. Once you pay it, the download link will show you to download. Right, it is available for FBX format, which is a universal 3D format, a 3D file for any of the 3D software like the Blender, iClones, Unreal Engines, Unity, Maya, etc. Then you can send it to your game. This is a royalty-free model. You can make it as a 3D assets in your game, put it in your game scenes, or make any of the 3D animations by using this 3D model. You can see all of the textures already completed, and this is just a single 3D mesh with just one material, a single material. It is game ready. Right, that's all for today about my sharings of this new published 3D models, Homo Heidelbergensis skull, ancient human skull. If you love my videos, tutorials, or sharings, if you love my 3D models and any of the products here, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, sharings, 3D models, or any of new 3D contents, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!